Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Learning good habits. A moral story: learn the habits that you feel are correct. A monkey went to the city and was adopted by a family of humans. The monkey did many chores for them and, in turn, they gave him food and clothes. Over the years, he learned to dress like humans and behave like them. One day, the monkey returned to the forest to visit his family. His brothers were impressed with his clothes. The monkey said, "If you want to look like me, do as I do." The other monkeys started to imitate him. They began to dress in suits, wear boots, and they started lying to each other. They cheated their closest friends. The monkeys in the forest began to fight and they were not happy anymore. One day, the oldest monkey in the forest called all the other monkeys. He said, "Be wise in the habits you learn from others. Don't follow anyone blindly."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.